Good evening to all. Happy Deepavali to all. And today we are going to discuss today's topic, which is mode. So yesterday we discussed measures of central tendency, mean, median, and today is mode. Mode is another type of positional average of measures of central tendency. It is also called it as positional average, which repeats the value of more number times, or else we used to call it as highest repeated value. And we have to call it as, or we have to indicate it as Z. Mode is indicated as Z. When the data is ungrouped, Z or mode is highest repeated value. When the data is grouped, discrete data, highest frequency of the corresponding value. But when the data is grouped continuous, we have formula to calculate mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, or else Z is equal to, or else mean, or else mode is equal to small l plus fm minus f1 2fm minus f1 minus f2 into h. So where the characteristics L indicates the lower limit of the model class, fm is cumulative frequency just previous to the model class, f1 is frequency of the model class or after the model class, f2 is just previous to the model class, and h is the width of the model class. So here we'll discuss problems. So here is our data for grouped, for ungrouped. For ungrouped data, very simple, it is highest repeated value, highest or most repeated value. So here what is the data which is repeated means 74 once, twice and thrice. 74 is repeated for 3 times, 76 is repeated for 2 times. So 74 is our mode. We'll indicate mode in the form of Z. So mode is equal to 74. So problem 2, they have given second problem, that is for grouped discrete data, that is nothing but they have given the x as 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And frequencies as 3, 2, 5, again 3 and 2. So here very simple it is, we discussed that the highest repeated value or else highest repeated frequency, here is the 5 which is highest, so highest frequency corresponding value which is 15. So mode for grouped discrete data is discrete data, that is 15, Z is equal to 15. For problem 3, we have got problem 3, group continuous data. We have data which has given class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. So frequencies they have given as 2, 3, 5, 10, 5 and 5. X, so x, I said that how to take the x means middle value of the class interval. So here 0 to 10 the middlemost value is 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55. So f of x means f is multiplied by x. After multiplication we'll get data, that is 2 into 5, 10, 45, 125, 350, 225, 275. So after getting this data we need to find out the cumulative frequency, and I told that how to get the cumulative frequency or how to calculate the cumulative frequency. We need to take the cumulative frequency's first value and add first and second value, that is 5 and 10, 20, 25, 30. So what the value will get here, that is the total number of frequencies. So after doing this we need to take the formula. We discussed that formula for mode if for grouped continuous data is small l plus fm minus, so we have formula fm minus f1 divided by 2fm minus f1 minus f2 into h. So here L is nothing but lower limit. We need to find the lower limit. Before finding the lower limit, we have to do n by 2 or else n plus 1 by 2. After getting, so this is 30 by 2, which is nothing but 15. We need to search the 15th corresponding value in cumulative frequency. We didn't got 15 means more than 15th value, which is nothing but 20. So 20 is the corresponding value. All we have to take the row we have to collect, and in that row only we'll get the formulas corresponding values. So here lower limit, just previous class I said that this is 30 is the lower limit, this is higher limit, so we need to take the lower limit, which is nothing but 30. And the fm nothing but again cumulative, fm nothing but cumulative frequency just previous to the class. Cumulative frequency just previous to the class means 10, minus f1 means that is frequency of previous class. Frequency of previous class means that is 5. F1 is 5, f2 means frequency after the class, which is again 5, h is width between the two class intervals, that is 30 minus 40 minus 30, which is 10 again. So here we'll put one by one values. After putting the values, 2 into m, which is nothing but 10, minus 5, again minus 5 into 10. So 30 plus 5 divided by 20 minus 10 into 10. So 30 plus 5 divided by 10 into 10, 10 will get cancelled. So 35 is our mode. 35 is our mode. So I said that another formula is also there for calculation of mode, which is nothing but mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So we have to calculate the mean for this data. So for calculating mean of grouped continuous data, we have formula that x bar is equal to sigma f of x divided by capital N. So we have to calculate this sigma f of x. It's a total value. So this total value, after calculating, will get around value of 1030. So this 1030 divided by capital N's value, after dividing will get 34.3. So this is our mean. Then we need to calculate median. I said that median is like highest frequency or middlemost value. Then again for this, after calculating for median, we have a formula like capital N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. So here lower limit, same, we will take the data 30 plus n by 2 means 15. Cumulative frequency previous to the class means 10, and frequency of the same class will take 10 into width again 10. So 30 plus 5 divided by 10 into 10 will cancel each other, will become 30. So here the for calculating mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So 3 median means 3, what we have got, the median value is 35 minus 2, 34.3. So after calculating this, we'll get the mode value which is around or near to 36.4. So the previously we have calculated that mode value is 35, and that mode is this mode is 36, which is very near to each other. So we'll discuss another example. So far we'll get to know that at a time calculating how we can calculate mean, median and mode. So problem 4, we have data. This is grouped continuous data. For this we have to calculate mean, median and mode. These three are calculating here. So here we have data. Class interval is 0 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100, 100 to 120, 120 to 140. So frequencies we have like 2, 3, 5, 10, 10, 5 and 5. So x we have here. So x, I said that middle value of class interval. So here it is 0 to 20, in between the value will be middlemost value is 10. So here 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, 110, 130. Later we need to calculate the f and x multiplication. After multiplying, we'll get the value of 20, 90. So make sure that to calculate this, we need to have calci, otherwise we'll get late. And simple calculators are allowed in exams, so you can calculate very easily there. And sigma f of x total value will be 3160. Cumulative frequency, as I said, we have to calculate the frequencies. The first frequency we'll keep it as it is, and first and second frequency we have to add. It is like 5, 10, 20, 30, 35 and 40. So here capital N will be 40. So for calculating mean, we have a formula that is x bar which is equal to sigma fx divided by capital N. 3160 divided by 40 will get the value around 79. 79 is our mean. So we need to calculate median. Before calculating the median mean, we need to calculate the n plus 1 divided by 2, which is nothing but 40 plus 1 divided by 2, which is nothing but 20.5 something will get. So we need to search exact 20.5 or else more than that. So here in corresponding value of 20th we got 30, and 30th corresponding value row will consider to be the values, most important values, which will be useful for our calculation. So for calculating median, we have a formula like capital N plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency into h. So here lower limit L will be 80. How means this, we consider this row, and in this row 80 is the lower limit. Cumulative frequency just previous to the class, 30, previous class is 20. 20 is our cumulative frequency of the class is 10. So 10 is our frequency, and width between two class, which is h, is equal to 20. How means 100 minus 80 is 20. So 80 plus n by 2 means 40 by 2 minus 20 divided by f10 into 10. So here 80 plus 20 minus 20 divided by 10 into 10 means 80 plus 0, because 20 minus 20 means 0, 0 divided by everything will be 0, multiplication of 0 will be 0. So 80 plus 0 is equal to 80. So our median is 80. Then we'll calculate mode. So the formula for calculating mode, we have two formulas, which is 3 median minus 2 mean. So what the value we have got for 3 we have to 3 keep, and median we have got the value of 80 minus 2 mean, we have got the mean value as 79, and we have to multiply it and minus it. We'll get around our nearest value, which is we'll get 82. So mode will be 82. Another formula we have to calculate mode, which is z is equal to Another formula will be L plus Fm, which is nothing but cumulative frequency minus frequency divided by 2 cumulative frequency, and means 2 into Fm minus F1 minus F2. So into H, which is width of two class intervals. So here lower limit will be, again we have to take the same data from the same row we have marked for calculating the data. L for lower limit, L will be 80 itself, cumulative frequency of the class, just previous to the class. So here 20 is our cumulative frequency previous to the class. So Fm is equal to 20. F1, which is nothing but frequency of previous class, that is 10. F2, cumulative frequency after the class, that is 5 we have. Then we have to calculate it. So width, H is width between 100 minus 80, which is 20. So 80 plus 20 minus 10 divided by 2 into 20 minus 10 minus 5 into 20, 80 plus 10 divided by 40 minus 15, 20 into 20, 80 plus 10 divided by 25 into 20. We have to cancel each other. 5 so 4 is 80 plus 5 1 is 5 2 is so 80 plus 8. So we'll get the value of mode 88. Mode is equal to 88. So there we have got the value like mean as 79, median as 80, and mode we have got two different values, and those two values are near to each other, that is 80 or 88. So here whatever value we have which is near to each other, so this is how we have to calculate mean, median, mode for given data. It is not mandatory that mode has to be calculated by using two formulas. As your wish, as your convenience, you can calculate. And if you need any extra information or any doubt, just comment it, and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you.